Do I look like the professor?
Okay, this is our project so far. We're improvising on a nice, quiet Honda. Although, this isn't a Honda. It's a 1997 Sears Craftsman 2400 watt generator. And we're improvising for quietness with a tractor muffler. And this is before completion. Really, really nice, because what it's supposed to look like is something like this. Oh, trying to do it one-handed. And then that part and those parts right there will be connected right here to the stock muffler, and this thing, instead of sounding like a really loud machine with no muffler, will sound nice and peacefully quiet.